Hello students, today we will see our next topic, that is what percent is one number of another. Okay, so this topic we'll see here. So we'll go to exercise 6.5. Okay, so what percent of another, that means you have to find out the percent. Two numbers will be given, you have to find out the percent. How to find out the percent? Find how much percent is each of the following. That means 10 of 50, you have to find out 10 of 50 is how much percentage. 75 of 100 is how much percentage. That means 10 out of 50. 10 of 50 means 10 out of 15. Do not confuse it by multiplication. This is not multiplication. Okay, this is not into. This is out of. 10 out of 50 is how much percent. 75 out of 100 is how much percent. 30 out of 120 is how much percent. Okay, suppose you in your exam you got 70 marks out of 100. Okay, then what is the percentage? How can you find the percentage of your marks? If you got 300 marks out of 500 marks in your annual exam, then what is the percentage? So same thing here, 75 out of 100 is how much percentage. So let's start. So it's very easy to write. 10 out of 50 is how much percent? So 10 out of 50, that means you will write like this, 10 by 50, and you have to convert in percentage. That means you have to multiply by 100 to convert into percentage. So you will write 10 by 50 into 100. So now cut 0, 0 will be cut, then 100 by 5. That means when you divide 105, okay, then it will be what? 5 2 jar 10 and this 0. So it is 20%. Understood? So this is very easy. Now see next. Let's take B number, 75 out of 100. So this also you'll write like this, 75 by 100 into 100, because you have to convert in percentage. So it is now 100 will cancel out, so only 75 remaining, that means 75%. So you have to put the percent sign here. Next, let's take 15 out of 120, D number. So it is 15 by 120 into 100. Okay, now see this 0 0 will cancel out. Now see in 3 table they are both are coming, so 3 5 is 15, 3 4 is 12. Okay, so 5 by 4, and then here again 10 write down. So now it is what, by 2 it is going on, so 2 to the 4, 2 5 is 10. Now it is what, 5 5 is 25, it is 2, so 25 by 2%. Understood? And when you convert in decimal, what will happen? 25 by 2 is written as 12.5, so it is 12.5%. So in this way, okay. So next question you do in homework. Now let's see question number 2. Find how much percent is each of the following. So that is again same thing. We'll get the rupees or kg, liter. That means different units will be there, but the question will be same, the process will be same. 25 paise of rupees 24. Some changes are there. What is the changes? You can see here it is given paisa and here it is given rupees. So you have to convert the units, you have to make the units same, then only you can do the further process. Here also gram, and here it is kg, so you have to make this in same unit. Okay, gram gram or kg. Here paisa paisa or rupees rupees. Okay, whatever you want you can change the unit. Now let's start question number 2a. So 25 paise of rupees 24. First of all, we'll make the unit same. We'll convert this rupees into paisa. So what we know, 1 rupees, okay, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. We know this relation. So we'll convert this 24 rupees into paisa. So what you do, 24 rupees will be converted into paisa. How? You will multiply this 24 into 100, because there is 100 paisa in 1 rupee. So it will become now 2400. So 2400 paisa. Now we will convert this. What we do, we have to convert 25 paisa into this out of 2400 paisa. So write down 25 by 2400. Now you have to convert in percentage, that's why multiply by 100. Okay, so now these two zeros will cancel out and we have to divide 25 by 24. When you divide 25 and 24, then it is coming 1.04. So it is percent. Understood now? So this thing you have to do extra things. Okay, this thing you have to convert the units. Okay, first of all you have to make the units same. So I have converted this 24 rupees into paisa by multiplying by 100. Then after that you have to convert in percentage. 25 by this, that means this 2400 into 100. Now it is 1.04%. Understood? Next is B number 7 gram of 35 kg. Now here you have to again convert the units. So here we will know gram and kg is given. So we know the relation 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, right? We know this relation. So we'll convert this kg into gram. So 35 kg can be written as 35 into 1000. Then it will be converted into gram. Okay. So 35,000 gram. Understood? So this is now in gram. Now we'll do the percentage. Now 7% of this. So it is 7 by 35,000 into 100. Okay. So now these two zeros and two zeros will cancel out. Now we'll see. We'll cut this 7 and 350. So 7 1 is 7, 3 5 is 35 and this 0. So it is coming what? 1 1 is 1 by 50%. Okay. And when we divide this 1 by 50, then it is coming as 0.02%. Okay, understood? So in this way you have to convert this first of all and then find out the percentage. Next we see the C number 60 ml of 125 ml. So 60 ml of 125 liter. L means liter, ml means milliliter. So again you have to convert the units. So here liter in milliliter. So first of all we'll convert this liter into milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Understood? So convert this 125 liter into milliliter. So we'll multiply 125 by this 1000. It is milliliter now. So 125,000 milliliter. Now we'll convert this into percentage. So 60 by this 125,000 and you will multiply by 100. Now this 0 cancel. Now this 0 and this 0 also cancel. Okay. Now divide this 6 and 125. So when you divide this 6 and 125, you can keep this in fraction also. When you divide, it will be coming 0.048%. So in this way you have to do. Understood? Now let's take question number E. Now see, it is 2.7 millimeter of 10.2 centimeter. So what you have to do, this centimeter and millimeter you have to convert again same. So convert this centimeter into millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So what you have to do, 10.8 centimeter you have to convert in millimeter, then you have to multiply 10.8 into 10. It will be in millimeter. So 10.8 into 10 is what? 108 millimeter, 108 millimeter. Okay. Now do this 2.7 by 108 into 100. Okay. Now divide this by 2. It is 5. 2 5 is 10. It is 2 4 is 8. Now it is 50. Again divide it by 2. It is coming 25. And it will be divided by 2. Then it will be 27. Okay. Now let's see this 2.7 by 27. And it is 25. Now this 2.7 is in decimal. You can convert in fraction. 2.7 can be written as 27 by 10 because after point one digit is there. So you can write directly 27 by 10 here. Okay. And here in the denominator 27 is already there. Now it is 25. Now understood how I have converted in fraction, it is 2.7. You can write directly here 10 because after a point one digit is there. Now it is 27 and 27 will be cancelled out. 27 1 27. Okay, now see 10 and 25 you can cut now, so it will be gone by 25. First of all write down here 25 by 10, so 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, so it is coming 5 by 2%. Okay, and when you convert in decimal again, it will be what, 2.5%. so this is the answer of this question. Understood? So do the remaining questions in homework, and we'll discuss question number 3 ABC in next video. Okay, thank you.